Hi everybody, it's a slightly sunburned Chris the Alpha Nut here, and I hope you're well, hope you've been enjoying the sunshine. As you may be able to see, I certainly have. This is what happens to English people when the sun comes out. It's generally about May, June time, and of course we forget because we live in a drizzly, rainy, cold country in the winter time. As soon as that sun peeps out from behind the clouds, you see lots of English people going very red, sitting in a field somewhere, the beach, the garden, perhaps a couple of beers. And this is a result: instant lobster. Anyway, just a quick update on what's been going on in Alpha Nut world. Hi everybody, I'm just coming down to check up on the 156, which has just been resprayed, as you'll have seen before. Here we are in my lair, and you'll see a few of my other projects that are on the go. This one's the GTV V6, which is work in progress, as I think you know. We've got both front and rear cylinder heads on now, which is great. Lots of bits to reattach, let's say, and then lots of other bits to clean and to rust proof, and probably lots of little bits to find as well that I may have lost or misplaced. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, lovely. Anyway, yeah, so finally coming on. This one isn't mine. It's a very old 1960s Bond. Here is the lady in question, the newly resprayed 156, which I have to say looks great. Finish is great. The reassembling was great. I can't really fault anything that's been done to the car in reassembly. It all looks good. Obviously it needs some detailing now and some preparation. I've got some new headlights to fit, because these ones are, well, they're probably salvageable, but it would take a long time and a lot of effort. You may remember that the old bumper was very cracked and a bit of a mess generally. That's been replaced with a new or used bumper that's been completely resprayed, and looks good to me. All the bodywork is very straight. It's all had paintless dent removal. I have fitted replacement 4-pot Brembo front calipers from a Mito. These were brand new, supplied by Autolusso. Thanks, Dan. Moving towards the back, also had reconditioned rear calipers by Big Red. Yeah, looking good. Oh yeah, I kept that sticker. I like it, it's cool. So the bad news is that when the car was resprayed, got it back, very happy with it, everything looked good. It's had a lot of work underneath. As I've said before, a lot of welding, new suspension components, new brakes, a lot of stuff done to the car. So it was taken to be MOT'd, and disaster. Basically it failed. Not a happy bunny about that. It failed on a few things: ball joints, rust. Yeah, more rust. How much rust can one car have? That's the question. Obviously quite a lot. So anyway, I'm not giving up. It's far too nice a car. At this stage, I think that the best bet is to get it on a ramp and examine the points that the MOT tester has pointed out, because I'm not sure about all of them. Seems a little bit excessive to me. Maybe he was having a bad day. But I will MOT it. It will be on the road, and before too long. Stay tuned and watch this space.